I just got Samsung's best ever foldable phone, the Galaxy Z Fold 7. I've been waiting on this phone for the last couple of months. It released earlier on this year around July time, and finally, it's in my hands, man. I'm so excited to give you guys my first ever impressions on this phone. So let's unbox it and check out this masterpiece of a phone. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. We're on our way to 10K subscribers. Let's go. Okay, so let's get started, man. Hey man, from first glance guys, I can tell you that this box is premium and it's packing, I can't lie. So we got the phone right here in shadow gray, and this is probably the color I didn't want because everyone's favorite color is the blue, and I think that's the best color as well. But this is really nice, I can't lie. But before we check out the phone, we're gonna check out some of the accessories that come with this phone, right? So let's see. Normally these days, the unboxing experiences on Samsung devices, they are very minimal. So I basically know what to expect every time I unbox a Samsung device. Okay, so you get a charger, Type-C to Type-C cable, put it on the side, and then we have Samsung Care Plus as well as a user guide manual. And am I gonna read that? Of course not. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, guys, the phone itself. I can't lie, this phone is gorgeous, man. Shadow gray, they say. Let's lift it up carefully, man, and do the satisfying peel. Damn, why am I struggling, bro? Okay, this is kind of hard. Okay, hold on. There we go. Satisfying peel. Flip it around, guys. Now we do the front as well. There we go. Amazing, guys. This phone is super light. That's the first thing I noticed, and how thin it is insane. Let's do the first fold, bro. Since we have this new hinge, guys, it's so thin. It feels like a normal phone because what they've done here, Samsung, is they've evened out the ratio so that it looks like a normal phone, guys, and I love the look of this phone. It's insane. Here's a quick thickness comparison between the S22 Ultra and the Z Fold 7, man. It's literally almost double the thickness, guys, which is insane. Now here's the thickness comparison when the phone is closed. You can see that the Z Fold 7 is almost the same thickness as the S22 Ultra. The build quality of this phone is really impressive as well. I like how simple it is to open up the phone with this new hinge. It's not as complicated as I thought it's going to be. It's really smooth.
Continue holding the screen with
Okay, shut up. Okay, yeah guys, as I was saying, the hinge is smooth, and let's see if there's a crease on the screen. I didn't actually see. Oh my days, there's barely any crease on the screen, guys. They really improved that as well. It's almost like flat. I'm not sure if you guys can see. Another thing that really impressed me, guys, is the camera. We've got a 200 megapixel camera lens on this, which means we are able to capture obviously high detail photos and videos. It's the same lens you get in the S25 Ultra, which is really impressive because this phone is so thin, guys. Like, just look at this, guys. Just look at how thin this phone is. It's insane. I'm not sure if the camera is focusing, but hey man, let's hope it does. It's insanely thin, but at the same time, it's Samsung, so we expect the best of the best. But anyways, let's call it a day. I will be reviewing the Samsung Z Fold 7 in a week or two. Right now, I'm gonna quickly set it up so that I can get everything up and running. Oh, and I forgot, this phone has One UI 8. That's not even out to everyone yet, which is amazing as well. But if you have any questions that you want answered in the review, make sure you pop them down below. And yeah, this is the Z Fold 7 first impressions. It's just so thin, guys. I can't lie, laser thin. Okay, that's it. Bye bye.